What we want to do is increase the use of the airspace, use it more effectively, right? And we want to increase the use of the runways and use them more effectively. There are times where there are choke points in the system that we can see, and there's frustration associated with those. And we say, okay, what can we do to mitigate or limit or reduce those choke points? And the next-gen technology that's coming online is, at the moment, allowing people better situational awareness, common situational awareness. So it reduces the amount of time it takes to try to share with somebody else what your choke point is or what your constraint is. If everybody can observe it and then act together cohesively to resolve it, then the system flows smoother and more freely. A good example is there's a team of individuals that see a spike in traffic that's approaching, whether it's an increase in scheduled flights or planes that are already in the air that are headed towards one sector. And say, okay, what can we do to make sure that we can assist that individual controller so that he's not overloaded? And there's tools that we're using right now through time-based metering of traffic or through the data communications network, the initial data communications trial, which offload work from individual controllers to automation systems and smooth the flows out, and the system moves better. And so what we want to ensure is that each individual controller understands that at the end of the story of NextGen, there will still be controllers and there will still be pilots. But the culture will shift slowly towards relying more on some of the decision support tools and some of the automation tools that are available, which once explained and proven to those experts that are out in the field that the job, they can actually be more effective using the automation systems, then they buy into it, and then we use this peer-to-peer kind of process to say, listen, change is difficult, but the future can be better than it is today. And it's difficult for absolute experts to admit that there is room for improvement. And once we prove it, again, on a peer-to-peer basis, and there's buy-in, then it becomes easy for them to go out and sell to two others, and then for them to two others, and the two others, and make those connections that are important to really change the culture of the way the system is today to where it should be in the future.